Imagine uploading your resume once and then AI automatically tailoring it and applying to jobs for you while you sleep. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's basically what Resume AI is trying to do in 2026. And honestly, this might be one of the most ambitious AI job search tools I've tested recently. So in this video, I'll show you what Resume AI does, its best features, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth using. So first, what exactly is Resume AI? Resume AI is an AI-powered job search platform designed to automate the entire application process. The idea is simple. You upload your resume once, and the platform uses AI to tailor resumes and cover letters for different jobs automatically. It can also help find matching jobs, optimize your resume for ATS systems, and even auto-apply to jobs using its automation tools. And honestly, that's the feature getting the most attention right now. Now, let's talk about the best features. One of the biggest features is AI resume tailoring. You can paste a job description or job link, and the AI rewrites your resume to match the position using keywords and ATS optimization. That's important because many companies now use ATS software to filter resumes before a real recruiter even sees them. Another really interesting feature is the Autopilot system. According to Resume, the AI continuously scans job boards, finds matching opportunities, creates tailored resumes, and can even submit applications automatically. So instead of manually applying to 20 jobs every day, the AI helps automate a large part of the process. The platform also includes cover letter generation, job tracking, and interview preparation tools. And compared to older resume builders, the interface feels much more modern and AI-focused. Now, let's talk about what people online are saying. A lot of users like how much time the platform saves. Some people say tailoring resumes with AI improved their interview rates because the resumes better match job descriptions. But there are also some important downsides. First, AI-generated resumes can sometimes sound generic or repetitive if you don't edit them yourself. And honestly, that's something many users mention online about AI resume tools in general. Another concern is over-automation. If you rely too much on mass auto-applying, your applications may lose personalization. And of course, no AI tool can magically guarantee interviews or job offers. Your skills and experience still matter the most. Also, because Resume AI is still relatively new, there aren't as many long-term reviews available compared to older resume platforms. So, is Resume AI worth trying in 2026? Honestly, if you're applying to lots of jobs and want help with ATS optimization and resume tailoring, this tool looks very promising. The automation features are definitely impressive, especially for busy job seekers. But I still think users should review and personalize AI-generated resumes before sending them out. Overall, Resume AI feels like one of the more advanced AI job application tools available right now. If you want to try it for yourself, I've left a link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which AI tool you want me to review next.